Guys, welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the Champion ATV UTV winch. It has a tow capacity of 4,500 pounds. So let's get right into the video, guys. So we got this winch installed. It took a couple weeks because they've been backed up, but I'm just going to show you the basics. So you have a blue wire and a yellow wire, which go and run. If you see, they go all the way through there. And you can see they go through there. And then they go to the battery. And some of them split off to go to the controller, which I'll show you in a second. So in the front here, this part right here does not come stock with the winch. We added it for safety, so because if you run this too far, it will snap the entire things in there. And then you have this flip thing here, and this isn't a metal winch, it's actually a reinforced cable winch, I believe it's called. And then here you have two, I guess to help you tow things, I think. And then now I'll show you inside where you have the controller. So right here is what the controller looks like. You have an out button to put it out, and then an in button to pull it back in. And the wire runs all the way through there. Don't know if you can see that, but runs in there. And in here you have the controller where it splits off to the battery, so it can get its power, and then it goes, that's where it comes in. And then this black wire goes to that part there. So now we're testing out the winch on this log here. We have it connected with this rope to the gator, and we're gonna now test it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this quick review of the winch. When we get a good snowfall, I'm going to be doing a review of the plow. We already have it, and there's a mount right there underneath, if you can see that. So I'll be doing a review on that when it comes out. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you come back next Saturday.